Hello, hello, everybody. Welcome back. Well, I have got something so beautiful that I want to share with you today. I have created an altered wooden box. It's actually a vintage cigar box, and I have turned it into a junk journal ephemera holder, and it is stuffed full of goodies. So I'm going to show you what all is in here today. This box measures 6.5 by 5.5. So it's kind of a small box, but just so precious. On the top here, I've added seashells and flowers and Swarovski crystals. I've got a little acrylic butterfly here. And then I added a seashell boho bead, and it's just kind of attached up under here, so you could actually remove that if you wanted to. There's the front, the sides, the back, and the bottom, all decorated and distressed. So let's open it, and I'm going to show you what is inside. On the inside cover, I've got this bicycle wooden veneer. So we ride bicycles at the beach. I love the beach. And I've covered all of my goodies with just a vintage doily. So we're going to take the doily out, and I am going to start unpacking this to show you what all I have put inside. So I've got this burlap trim here that has a leather strap that you can use also in your junk journal. This is some burlap. Now this is a roll. This is one of those, it's about this wide. It's probably 8 inches wide. So it's great for pockets and whatever. I've just got it folded over. There is some lace. There is, let me show you what's in here. I added 3 turquoisey looking boho beads that match the theme. And then this one little beaded dangle that I made. It's got a leather piece on it. It's got a little seed packet. And just full of just cute little things. And I put that down in here. That's for your journal spine. Now this is everything you need except for your book. Your cover and your pages will be up to you. Oh, by the way, I put a little starfish charm right there on that pin. Okay, so let's move these out of the way. This is just some fabric strip ribbon that I added. And now I have got stacks and stacks of journaling cards, all kinds of beautiful different sizes, big ones, small ones, beach themed. Everything's beachy themed. These are a couple of little trifold booklets and some more tags, journaling cards. These are all little booklets that you get. This is a stack of corrugated tags that just go very well with the theme here. And then this one is a stack of journaling cards, and I just put them with a doily and some lace tied around it. Same thing here, just different sizes. And this final one has got some vintage looking postcards in it and some more lace. And then the bottom of the box has wool felt in there. So I have not counted the pieces, but I will, because you can now get this in my Etsy shop. So in the Etsy description, you'll see exactly how many pieces. But this is what all you get. So anyway, guys, come visit my Etsy shop at Gulf Coast Journals. And I thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.